If you're into electronics repair, DIY projects, or just love tinkering with tech, a mini electric screwdriver is a must-have. Today, we're revealing the top 5 best mini electric screwdriver sets that combine precision, power, and portability. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Strebito S2 Mini Electric Screwdriver Set. The Strebito S2 Mini Electric Screwdriver Set is a precision tool designed specifically for delicate tasks involving electronics, PCs, and phones. With an electric motor delivering 170 RPM and 0.3 Newton meters of torque, complemented by a manual torque of 3.5 Newton meters, this screwdriver offers control and accuracy essential for small screws. Users are advised to loosen particularly tight screws manually before relying on the electric function to ensure smooth operation and prevent damage. Its compact size and specifications make it unsuitable for large-scale projects, but perfect for meticulous repair work. The screwdriver's ergonomic pen-style design prioritizes comfort and ease of use, featuring a non-slip grip that allows for steady handling during extended tasks. A magnetic tip keeps screws securely in place, preventing accidental drops and facilitating quicker screw placement. Additionally, dual LED lights on the tool provide bright illumination to dark or tight spaces, improving visibility and accuracy. The LED display on the screwdriver also provides real-time rotation direction and battery status, keeping the user informed throughout their work. Included in the set are 36 durable S2 steel bits, renowned for their resistance to wear and compatibility with other standard drivers. These bits are stored neatly in a compact pop-up case, which helps keep everything organized and portable, reducing clutter and making the kit easy to carry. The set is powered by a rechargeable 350 mAh battery that can drive over 500 screws on a single charge. Recharging takes about 60 minutes via a Type-C cable, and the screwdriver can also be charged using a power bank, offering great flexibility for users on the go. Overall, the Strebito S2 Mini Electric Screwdriver Set is a compact, well-designed toolkit aimed at professionals and hobbyists needing precision and convenience in electronics repair. Next up, at number 4, we have the Astroai ES60 Mini Electric Screwdriver Set. The Astroai ES60 Mini Electric Screwdriver Set is a meticulously designed tool tailored for precision and versatility in handling delicate electronics. It offers 3 adjustable torque settings ranging from 0.1 to 0.35 Newton meters for electric operation, with a manual torque capacity of 3 to 6 Newton meters. This precise control helps protect sensitive devices by preventing damage caused by excessive force. The screwdriver supports a broad range of gadgets, including mobile phones, tablets, watches, glasses, laptops, game consoles, cameras, and smart speakers, making it highly adaptable for various repair and assembly tasks. Included in the set are 60 S2 steel precision bits, along with special JIS drill bits suited for Japanese electronic devices, minimizing the risk of screws loosening over time. The comprehensive bit collection covers general-purpose drills and specific bits designed for iPhone repairs. This expansive set, combined with accessories like a magnetizer, pry bar, and precision tweezers, transforms the tool into a versatile 63-in-1 multifunctional kit ideal for electronics enthusiasts and professionals alike. The screwdriver features an innovative magnetic bit storage system integrated into its design. This rotatable compartment allows for easy access and organized storage of the bits, streamlining the workflow. A detachable magnetizer further enhances precision, allowing users to handle small screws confidently and efficiently. Additionally, 4 ultra-bright LED lights illuminate the work area, making it easy to handle intricate components even in low-light environments. This feature is especially beneficial when working with computers or other precision instruments, delivering a user-friendly and reliable repair experience. Taking the 3rd spot is the Soleilwear Y1 Mini Electric Screwdriver Set. The Soleilwear Y1 mini electric screwdriver set is a versatile and efficient tool designed to simplify your tech repairs and DIY projects. Featuring 5 adjustable torque levels, it allows precise control for handling a wide variety of tasks. When extra manual power is needed, the screwdriver delivers up to 7 Newton-meters of torque, making it suitable for delicate electronics like laptops, smartphones, MacBooks, drones, keyboards, watches, and more. This cordless electric screwdriver is powered by a robust 500 milliamp-hour rechargeable battery, capable of driving over 600 screws on a single charge. The strong 200 RPM motor makes even challenging jobs easier, while USB-C charging ensures quick and convenient power replenishment. The set includes a comprehensive 50-in-1 magnetic bit collection, with 40 precision bits hardened up to 60 HRC for durability and resilience. It covers a wide range of screw types, such as Phillips, Torx, Tri-Wing, Hex, Pentalobe, and Triangle. Additional tools like a spudger, metal pry bars, pointed tweezers, opening tools, and picks further enhance its capability, making it ideal for gadget enthusiasts and repair professionals alike. Designed with user comfort and practicality in mind, the screwdriver features a square anti-roll body with an ultra-lightweight frame and a non-slip grip that reduces hand fatigue during extended use. Its push pop-up design allows for quick one-handed access to the bits compartment, improving workflow efficiency. Compact and easy to maneuver, it fits well into tight spaces for precise screw driving. A built-in LED light illuminates dim work areas, while dual rotation modes enable smooth switching between tightening and loosening screws. This combination of thoughtful features ensures the Soleilwear Y1 mini electric screwdriver set is a handy, reliable companion for anyone tackling small-scale repairs or projects. Coming in at number 2 is the Xiaonian X1 Ultra mini electric screwdriver set. The Xiaonian X1 Ultra mini electric screwdriver set combines precision engineering with practical design to meet the demands of modern electronics repair and DIY projects. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy, this compact tool delivers both strength and lightweight portability, making it a dependable companion for delicate and detailed tasks. One of the standout features of the Xiaonian X1 Ultra is its precision adjustable torque system. With 5 electric torque levels plus a manual mode, it offers an electric torque range from 0.1 to 0.5 Newton meters, reaching up to 0.6 Newton meters and a manual torque of 3.5 Newton meters. This range ensures that users can apply just the right amount of force, whether they are opening laptops, assembling drones, or fixing door hinges. Such fine control helps prevent damage to sensitive components, which is critical when working with electronics and small appliances. Powering this versatile screwdriver is a robust 500 milliamp-hour rechargeable lithium battery. Charging is made simple and efficient through a USB-C port, allowing for quick recharging without the clutter of tangled wires. The motor operates at a maximum speed of 180 RPM, providing ample power to complete tasks swiftly while maintaining accuracy. This makes the Xiaonian X1 Ultra suitable for extended use in various repair and maintenance activities. The tool also excels in convenience and organization. Its magnetic bit storage system includes 76 metal bits housed in a magnetic case, ensuring bits are kept secure and easily accessible. The press-to-release bit holder simplifies bit changes, eliminating fumbling and downtime. The click-in design secures the screwdriver and its accessories firmly, whether carried in a backpack or stored away. Overall, the Xiaonian X1 Ultra Mini electric screwdriver set offers a blend of precision, power, and portability, making it an essential tool for anyone involved in electronics repair, DIY tinkering, or small appliance maintenance. And finally, our top pick, the Fanttik E2 Mini electric screwdriver set. The Fanttik E2 Mini electric screwdriver set is designed to elevate precision repair work with its powerful yet finely controllable torque system. Equipped with a motor that spins at 270 RPM and capable of delivering up to 0.6 Newton meters of torque, The E2 ensures that even delicate devices like tablets, phones, watches, laptops, and small appliances can be handled with care and accuracy. The screwdriver features 5 adjustable torque gears, allowing users to tailor the power output to suit various assembly tasks without risking damage to sensitive components. This model boasts an 800 mAh rechargeable battery, offering 2.3 times the runtime compared to its predecessor, the E1 Max. The inclusion of a Type-C charging port enhances convenience by enabling faster, more efficient charging so users can maintain workflow with minimal interruptions. The thoughtfully designed RevoStore magnetic storage system adds both functionality and style. Its pop-up mechanism provides a satisfying tactile experience when opening and closing the case, while the aluminum alloy body and minimalist tech aesthetic appeal to modern sensibilities. Inside, a rotary storage bin magnetically holds bits in place, keeping everything neat and easily accessible. The set includes 50 precision bits made from high-strength S2 steel, spanning 12 different types and featuring a specially sized 1.78-inch hex 2.0 bit to cover a wide range of repair needs. Additionally, it comes with a pry bar and ESD tweezers, essential tools for safely handling small electronic parts. An innovative gradient indicator bar on the screwdriver delivers real-time visual feedback on torque settings and the screw in-out status, enhancing user interaction and adding a futuristic touch to the repair experience. Overall, the Fanttik E2 mini electric screwdriver set combines power, precision, and user-friendly design, making it a versatile tool for anyone involved in electronic device maintenance and repair.